Hello everyone, this is Noah with Save Green here, and today we're going to go ahead and do a review and a sound test on the JBL Flip 3 portable speaker. Now this is a Bluetooth speaker, but it also allows you to connect it without having to use Bluetooth. So if you pop the port there, you will see that you have the ability to connect your plug right into there and into your device. And of course your charging port there as well. So as you can see, we have it on. We already paired it into our, and that's another thing I wanted to show. We paired it into our iPod, and just so you can see the size of it as well, and the thickness. If you have an iPod nearby hanging around, you can see where it's about the same width and maybe just a little shorter. Fits in a cup holder. If you want to take it with you and you're driving around, you can put it in your cup holder, use it to go to the park, the beach, whatever. And we wanted to test the sound quality as well, so we'll do that. And let's see if we can get Pandora, for example. Okay, so we'll try different genres of music and see. Let's just get the volume all the way up.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars.
You can see that.
Let me see what.
Okay, so now let's try another genre of music. Okay, so we got that as well. And I just wanted to show you the different genres of music so you can, the quality is definitely really nice. So for something as portable and as small as this, the quality is excellent. I mean, you can hear this from a long area far away as far as distance. So you can be anywhere in the house, you'll be able to hear it. You can take it to your backyard, patio, porch, beach, park, anywhere you'd like to. I mean, you can see it just fits in my hand, so it's very, very portable. And again, this is the JBL Flip 3. You can also select your phone here and you can use it as a speaker for your speakerphone when you're talking. But here you have your plus and minus, which controls the volume, and as you lower or raise the volume, it will set it accordingly. You could also do the same from your device. So if you were using your iPod like I'm using here, if I lower the volume, it'll do the same thing while the song is playing, or raise it up even more. They are linked together, so you can do that. But I do highly recommend it. What I'll do is I will post a link at the bottom so you can see and get one for yourself. They do have them in different colors. You can choose them in blue, black, red. They sometimes have limited edition colors that are not available for everyone, but they do have them just for a limited time. It is very craft as far as the way it's built. You can see that it's built really tough. I know there are other cheap speakers out there. Trust me, I have bought them. I've actually reviewed some here. I am very happy with JBL. There's also a JBL Bluetooth speaker that I also did a review on, which is a little smaller than this one. It's round. You'll see the videos if you search through my video history. But anyway, it is highly recommended. It does have this also, so you can hold it, and in case you drop it, you still have it tied around your wrist. But I do highly recommend it. The bass is awesome. The sound is incredible, and I couldn't believe it for something this small that fits in my hand that it's that loud. But it is the JBL Flip 3, and like I said, look at the description down below and you'll be able to see the link to it. Thank you very much for watching. Again, this is Noah with Save Green here.